We have realized, as I said, that actually it would be great to have the barge boat here, but it doesn't make sense to have it here only for 6 weeks, that if you order boat, the barge will be here in 6 weeks, and if you order in the same time the container will be here in 3 months. That means that you're going to cope only for a period of 6 weeks. In discussion with GEBE, we said we cannot afford the barge boat, the power boat. We will have to do something with the 6 weeks that is remaining because we cannot make use of the barge. And that is a difficult challenge. How are we going to deal with these 6 weeks? One of them is we are looking back in unit 19, the generator unit number 19. We know that the crankshaft is the biggest problem in that unit. They are making now, at this particular moment, with external expertise, they are making an analysis and a report about 19 to see that if we take the risk to invest, to change the crankshaft, that there will be no more diseases in that unit, that although this big investment, still we're not going to get maximum productivity out of this generator 19. We are waiting for that report, and I have been informed by the management of GEB that coming Friday, that report will be on the table for a decision if it's worth it to invest 2.7 million to get that machine going in the meantime. That would be an ideal solution, because if we get engine 19 back, it's going to contribute back to approximately a 9 extra megawatt, and that will help in the total demand needed for the country, coping for the 6 weeks that we have exposed that we cannot cover because the barge boat, power boat, is too expensive for that. Next to that, in case we have a positive surprise that we think we can handle the crankshaft, at that particular moment, GB is going to introduce a plan to ask big hotels, businesses, a way to cooperate, to disconnect if they have own power, if it's now solar or own energy generators, to see if they can help us to disconnect from the grid in a way that we will be able to manage the remaining 6 weeks extra that we cannot cover until we get the generators on the island.